Hello everyone, thanks for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, doing a walk around with you on a 2021 Toyota RAV4 Limited. The point of our walk arounds is simple, to be as transparent as possible and to show you things that won't show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below this video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the RAV4, just scroll up, it's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view a free CARFAX report, the original window sticker, grab some financing options, or maybe get a shipping quote to ship the Toyota anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the very end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Toyota RAV4, so let's go ahead and start that walk around. Okay, here we go. This should be quick and easy because as the tires are like new, so is the rest of this RAV4 because it only has 4,000 miles and it was well taken care of. Those two facts together give you a like new, previously owned vehicle. This thing doesn't have a scratch or a chip or a dent or a ding anywhere in the finish. There's definitely garage kept. So if you are looking for a like new previously owned vehicle, this is one to consider. Let's take a look at the interior. Okay, to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, this side of the visors, sunshade, headliner, top of the dash, all in like new condition, and this thing even has new car smell in it. But if you have any questions about anything, including financing options, shipping, any of that, there's a number at the top of your screen. Please give us a call and we will be happy to answer those questions for you. Hopefully you'll join us next time.